I'm kind of upgrading my tools over the next few months, and I thought it'd be fun to go ahead and do a new video segment called You Pick It and I Buy It. That's where I'm going to run up to Lowe's or Home Depot. I'm going to pick an item, say drill bits, and I'm going to show 2 or 3 of them, and you get to go in on the comments and vote. And whoever gets the most votes is the one I will buy. Our latest winner is going to be this 23-piece Red Helix Milwaukee drill bit set. It went up against a DeWalt black and gold drill bit set. And this is the one that got the more votes. The Milwaukee boys come through. And this is the one I bought. Now, I've never owned Milwaukee, so I will kind of use them and kind of let you know what I think of them. But I appreciate you voting, guys. So that's the winner on that one. Now, what I'm going to upgrade from and try to get away from is going to be these RYOBI drill bits. This is the sets that I get up there at the Black Friday sale. You're going to get them, I believe, $9.99 or $12.99, something like that. And if you'll notice, you'll see some empty spots. And that is because if you use these on metal, they will snap just like that. And that's just my dealings with them. That's the problem that I have. Now, hear me out. If you're using these on wood and wood only, these bits to me are great. They're fine. I have no problem with them. They last. They're titanium coated. They seem to stay sharper longer. And I wouldn't really pay more for other bits if I was just doing woodworking. But for metal, these things, they don't work for me. So I'm going to go with the Milwaukees to see how they do. I do appreciate y'all watching the video. Thank you very much. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless you all.